Please. Somebody do something. This quarter bag of motherfucking chips and this dollar bag of chips is the same motherfucking size. I ain't never that high. Somebody do something. This world is fucked up. This world is reckless. And this world is fucked up. And this bag damn near bigger. Look, y'all, this shit real. Look at this. This is 2 for $1. One on that.
Let me see the price. No. I don't know where it is. Somebody pay. You gonna go back. Man, this world fucked up.
This world fucked up, man. It's real out here, man. Shit. I'm gonna smoke some more dope and think about this shit, y'all. I'm tuning the fuck out, man. Hold on.